In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Publishers Commission 2020 MCQs, that is the cauchy Riemann's equations can be satisfied at a point z, but the functions f of z is equal to u into xy plus iota v into xy can be at z. Solution theorem, that is, suppose f of z is differentiable at a point z naught, then cauchy Riemann equations are satisfied at z naught. Remark, that is, the converse of this theorem is not true in general. For example, the complex function f of z is equal to x cube plus iota y cube satisfy CR equations at origin, but it is not differentiable at origin. So option B is correct. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah.